Hi everyone, I would like to introduce myself. I am Bhupendra Adhikari, and in this video I am going to talk about how to write a research proposal. You need to write research proposal in different stages of your academic career. Suppose if you are going to apply PhD program or any research oriented master program or any funding grant, you need to write a research proposal in order to convince your academic committee that you have genuine research issues and you have empirical or practical methods of investigation and that you can solve those problems. So if you want to start your PhD program, you need to know how to write a research proposal. Your research proposal must be high quality. So how to prepare your research paper with high quality? You need to know certain ingredients, or there are certain elements that you should have a broad knowledge about those elements. So let's begin with what is research proposal at the beginning. The research proposal is just like an article that you share with your academic committee in order to ensure that you have genuine research problems and you can solve those problems in an effective way or practical way. So at the beginning, some readers, some people may confuse with research paper and research article because they seem to be similar in the structure. But what is the difference between research proposal and research article, research paper? In research paper, in the discussion part, you present the findings or you present the results that you carry out from your research. But in research proposal, you do not mention any findings because your research is only in the proposal stage, just you are going to begin. So what are the elements or structure? What is the structure of research proposal? At the beginning, you need to choose a title. The title of your research paper should be very informative. It should give crystal clear idea, and it should be concise. It should not be too long and too short. And the title should be, mental capture. It means attention grabbing. It should grab the attention of the reader. So if your title is very effective, then readers will be attracted to read your research paper. So you need to know that title reflects the overview of your whole research. So after title, the second part of your research paper is introduction. In the introductory part, what you have to mention? You have to mention the scope of your research paper, aim and objective of your research paper, and the limitation also. Briefly, you should mention the whole overview of your whole research in the introduction part. And after introduction, there is another part that is literature review. So here you should know by the word also what is literature and what is review. Literature means work, or it is the writing of others, and review means analysis of something. So literature review means here in this section you are going to analyze the research done by other researchers in the same topic, and in the literature review you follow the certain framework. Suppose you're going to compare, contrast, and then critically analyze the ideas and findings found out by other researchers in the same topic. And after that you put your critical ideas, then you connect those ideas from your findings, and finally you have to provide the citation. It means to make your research reliable, you must have to give citation or reference from which sources you collected those ideas. So in literature review, you need to present the literature gap also. Literature gap means which problem in the research have not been able to found out by other researchers, or what is the which part of the that issue has not been solved by the previous researchers. And after literature review, there is another part that is the objectives, research objective and research question. In this part, you need to mention that what is the objective of your research, what you are going to do, why your research is important, what is the significance of your research paper. You need to describe, and when you answer the research question, then you're going to find out the objective of your research. After the objective of research paper, then another part comes, that is that is methodology. Methodology is the most important part of your research. In this part, this is the broad part also. In this part you need to mention which theories, which methods you are going to apply in your research, depending on the nature of your research paper, whether it is qualitative or quantitative. So you need to describe here the data collection method also. How you going to collect your data? You are going to collect your data through survey, or you are going to collect your data in different way, through experimentation or survey. So who are going to participate in your data collection? You need to mention in a clear way. So after methodology, the another part comes, that is the significance of your research paper. Here you need to describe the importance or implication of your research paper. Then after that, the final part of your research proposal comes, that is reference. Here you should provide the reference, a list of reference from where you collected the source of data. And thank you very much. I hope that you get clear ideas from this short video. Hope the ideas will be beneficial in your life, if you are going to carry out your research, or if you are going to apply for PhD program. Thank you.